Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you how to delete your Kik account. Now, for some reason, you can't do this inside of the Kik app. So if you go to the settings icon on your Kik app here, all these options will not allow you to deactivate or delete your accounts. In order to do that, you have to launch your browser here, so Chrome or Safari, for example. And you want to go to this website, and I'll put it below in the description, but it's called ws.kik.com/delete. Once you go to that website, you should see a page about how do I delete my Kik account, and you just need to type in your username and your email. Now, if you go back to the app here, you could find that under your account. You could find out your username and your email if you don't remember it, and then jump back here and type those two. And then you have to choose a reason why you're leaving. So choose from one of these options here, check I understand, and press go. And once you do press go, you'll get an email and you'll have to verify that you want to deactivate this permanently, and then you're all set. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech and social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.